Apparently, if you make this noise, your pet is supposed to come running to you, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Nope, didn't work.
Always asking me what I got on. They be like, "Hey Brandon, what you got on?" Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That split. That's that split right there.
Mr. Wobble had a great day at school, so now we're going to take him to the shop to get some sweeties. Off we go, Mr. Wobble. Down the stairs.
Hey guys, what's up? So, why did I just do that?
Hi, is your dog friendly?
Yeah, my dog's friendly.
Hi.
I thought you said your dog was friendly.
It is. That's not my dog.
So my cat won't stop jumping up on the kitchen bench, so I googled ways to stop that. Really all you need is some tinfoil.
I felt a spray.
In case you guys were wondering what just happened, there was a stink bug flying around my apartment. Oh my god.
Press photos with the bomb lady.
Babe.
Minnesota Vikings. Ooh. Bambi.
This TikTok is only for teachers. If you are a student, keep scrolling. I'll wait. Alright, now they're gone. Do y'all know what you're teaching tomorrow? Because I don't.
People are always like, oh my gosh, your piglets are so cute. Can I please come hold and snuggle your piglets? Let me show you guys what snuggling a piglet is like.
Where did you put the trash?
I literally put it right there.
Well, then just grow legs and walk away.
I have
We've helped over 1 million people just like you start their own businesses. LegalZoom.
I have 15 grade.
Now it's getting time to go to
Guys, I wanted to show you the screaming hamster. Just look at this thing. Hi! Oh!
Yo, Fast and Furious 9 is cool and all, but I'm waiting for the next movie because they need to call it Fast 10. Your seatbelt. Safety first, kids.